Moby, what are you doing? But that's not the right way.
All right, P17, now that you've gone outside on a scavenger hunt to find all the parts of the plant, the roots, the stem, a leaf, a flower, a fruit, and even a seed, you're going to upload them here on Seesaw. So tap upload, and then you're going to have to find the photos wherever you saved them. When they're all here, you're going to click, oh, I think I'm missing the roots actually. Let me find the roots too. Where are my roots? There they are. When they're all here, I'm going to click the green check mark. And now I have each of them on their own page like this. So I'm going to go over here and tap the T, and I'm going to type which part of the plant this is. This is the flower. And then I can also move it so that it's in a good spot. And now I'm going to record my voice saying what the job of the flower was. So if I think back to the video, the job of the flower was to make pollen and then also help make the fruit and the seeds. So I'm going to record my voice saying that. The job of the flower is to make pollen and help make the fruit and the seeds for the plant. Done, okay? So then that's one of them. It's got the voice, it's got the label, it's got the picture. Now I can go on to the next one, which is the fruit. I have a lime tree growing on my street, so I took a picture of the fruit. I'm going to label it. And I'm going to record my voice saying the job of the fruit. The job of the fruit is to hold the seeds, and then when animals eat the fruit, they poop out the seeds somewhere else so that a new plant can grow. So now I have the recording, the label, the picture on that one. I'm going to go on to the next one. When I'm all done, I'm going to tap the green check mark, and then I will be ready. Good luck, P17. I can't wait to see what you find.